So tell me, what is the concept behind your project?
Is to look for high quality products that are being produced to furnish cars, basically, which is the little niche I got into. I found out they were like really high quality products that were not meeting the standards, or because of the length they were left over and discarded and immediately burned. And I thought it was a ridiculous idea. So the idea is to reduce industrial waste and create products that are functional, they can last very long, and that are basically different. You know, the idea is that you see a product and you don't know it's recycled. We create products in a ridiculous way nowadays. If you want to make a car, you do whatever. If you need 20,000 meters of textile, because of the industry, you make 60,000 and 40,000 are left over. And that's how it works. So there's climate problems, pollution, and because there's not enough efficiency.
What inspires you? What gives you inspiration for the design of your bags?
Well, there's like two things, two main issues. One of them is what you have limits you already to make. Like sometimes people are like, why don't you make this this kind of bag? Or why? Because you can't make it, because the materials don't allow you to make. So you have to work in a different way. From what you have, you try and create something, but fitting those little products you have. For instance, I have like this would be a raw material, which is like an armrest. So we unstitch this part, so we already have like a big surface. And these little parts here. I also have like this is a headrest. So beautifully worked.
From a car,
yeah. You would have this at the back here, like this, to lean back. And so we flip it over. I mean, this is the main problem. For instance, the quality is amazing. Everything is perfect, but when they were fitting this into the car, they had a little problem here. So they were pulling to fit it, and it broke. So this went directly to a box, to the trash, and probably burned.
So it's just a waste of
It's a waste.
material.
It's a waste. I mean, that's the car probably has cost like 100,000 or 60,000 euros. So they're not going to worry about these little details. So basically, this kind of surface is what we use to work. And from here, you end up coming up with different products.
Where do you obtain the materials for your products? Do you have special recycling companies you're working together with?
I'm the recycling company. Basically, big companies have their recycling process, and well, they try to do the best that they can. But I work directly with the companies that furnish the cars. So they make the textile, and some other companies furnish the car. So it depends what you're looking for. You work with one or the other, and just get the best deal possible. You take some heavy work off them, and you have your own heavy work to deal with.